I just finished it. It was perfect.
Mimi, I can't believe you're calling me now. We were supposed to watch that movie together over the weekend.
I know. I'm so sorry. But the movie looked so good and I got carried away and it was just so nice.
Ah, you always do this, Mimi. I guess I understand, Sha. Was it any good?
It was perfect. The love between the characters, the romance, the chemistry, everything was just perfect. It's everything I want for myself.
You and your love stories, Mimi. Well, you owe me big time for this one. Just know that.
Okay. How about a girls' night out?
I don't care. I don't care, Mimi. Just know you owe me.
I promise I'll make it up to you by taking you out. Is that fine?
It's okay, Mimi. We'll catch up in class tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you so much, ST, for everything.
Yeah, good night.
Good night. Daddy.
Hi, sweetheart.
Daddy, I just wanted to let you know that I'll be resuming my A-level classes tomorrow. Hope you didn't forget.
Oh, that's true. That's true. Thanks for reminding me. Look at how beautifully grown up you have become. I'm so proud of you. I just wish your mom was here to see you.
Me too, Daddy. I really miss her too. I wish she was here with us.
I miss her so much too. I wish she was here too.
Daddy, don't forget you have a business trip tomorrow. You need to sleep on time so you can wake up early and not miss your flight.
That's true. Thank you. Thanks for reminding me. Good night.
Good night, Daddy.
Snack time!
Yay! Thank you, Mimi. You always know how to make things better.
I know, it's my specialty.
Right. So, Mimi, what do you think is going to happen after we finish our A-level? I mean, do you think we'll be able to get into the universities that we want?
I hope so. But Esther, honestly, I want to follow a different career path. I want to go into fashion design.
Fashion designing? Mimi, I honestly thought it was just a hobby. I never imagined you wanted a career out of it.
Well, that's because Daddy keeps making the decisions for me. He wants me to follow a traditional career path. That's not what I want.
Hey, don't lose hope, Jerry. Maybe things will change. You never know what might happen.
I really hope so. It's 8. So what movie are we watching?
Have you seen Diamond Heart?
Yes, no.
What?
We made a lot of money today. Ah! See all the money, oh! Hey! Wonderful.
Yes. Thank God, though. Well, if you keep selling like this, then I might be able to finish my education.
You say might? Of course. I'm your mother. I said it will finish. All you need to do is just give me small time. Let's do this business. Yeah? You go to university, my son. Yeah? I have it in mind. Yeah, the reason why I'm struggling now.
Hey, Mama, I know this one is going well, gradually it's becoming up, but Mama, what if I go and look for another job? Then maybe I'll be going for that one in the morning, then I'll come and help you in the evening.
Oh, see, we won't be able to make money if it's only me. Eh? Well, okay, how about the delivery? Will I be doing this one and doing delivery too? But delivery, you are doing it for me. Do you get? I know this help you. I'm an old lady. Because if you go now, I won't see anybody helping me. Delivery is nobody. Let's concentrate on this one. Hey! See money.
Today just went well.
As in, hey!
Man, I must admit, Mimi, it was really a great time here.
I told you I was gonna make it memorable.
Oh, please.
I want to lie that you did not have fun.
Well, I did. Thank you.
Esther, are you leaving already?
Yes, sir. Thanks for having me.
Daddy, welcome back. How was your trip?
Fine. Keep the bag now. Let's drop off.
No, sir.
Esther.
Don't worry. I can manage on my own.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Well, in that case, say hi to your parents.
Yes, I will. Thank you, sir.
Take care.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
I do like it. No.
Ma.
Thank you very much for helping your mother out at the shop. I don't know what I would have done without you.
Mama, you don't have to thank me now, eh? I actually enjoy working with you. Business partners. Mama, I've been thinking, yeah? Do you think I should cancel my plans to further my education and probably just like start a trade or learn a trade or something?
Me and you have had this conversation over and over again. I know that we've been through a lot, but I believe in your future. You will go to school. Trade is not the only way out for you. Okay?
Mama, it's just that we've been struggling to make ends meet. I was just thinking of doing something that will just at least support us. If you're bringing, I'll be bringing.
I know that things are hard and we're struggling. But our people say that wealth is closer through education. Education is the key. That's why I'm working hard. You will go to school now. Your dreams will come true. Did you hear me?
Okay, Mama, it's just that, I just wanted to make sure that we are doing things the right way.
We are doing things the right way. This is the right way. You go to school. You go to university that your mates are going. Did you hear me? So eat. If that one. Trade is good, but that's not the only thing you can do. Go to school.
Yeah. Where is the stockfish?
Which stockfish? Did you bring it out? Did you bring it out now?
Okay.
Well, after cooking, I realized we didn't put that small stockfish. Well, I wanted to use for delicacy for you.
But soup is still good, sir.
Mimi,
Yes, Daddy.
what's the matter with you? You have barely touched your food.
Daddy, I've been thinking about my future quite a lot. And I want to pursue a career in fashion design. It's what I'm truly passionate about.
Fashion design. Fashion design is not a viable profession. You need a career that has stability and is respectable, which is why I'm planning for you to go abroad and study.
Abroad?
Yes.
But I just started my A-level classes. Daddy, I've worked so hard for this. I don't want to give up on my dreams.
You need to start thinking about your future realistically. Fashion design is not a secure path. You need to consider a career that has stability and has opportunities.
But Daddy, this is my life. Why can't you support me in doing what I truly want to do?
Your life. My money.
I don't want to eat anymore. Just my appetite.
Sit down now. Hi, sweetheart. Wakey, wakey. Good morning. It's time to wake up.
Good morning, Daddy.
Are you still angry about what happened last night? I'm sorry.
Just a little bit. Daddy, I just want you to understand how much fashion design means to me.
It's okay, I understand. But I just want you to focus on your A-level right now. Let's take things one step at a time. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Alright, I'll see you later then. Don't sleep too much.
Yes, Daddy. It wasn't the same without you. I'll call you back later.
Learn how to preach well. It's not this one that
Hey Mimi, what's up? Are you home already?
Yes, I just got in. How are you feeling now?
Yeah, I'm a bit better. Just resting for tomorrow. So, how were classes today now?
It was okay. Mr. Victor was his usual strict self. I managed to get through though. Although he gave us tons of assignments.
That sounds like him, always pushing us to do more.
I know. But I guess it's still for our benefits. Anyways, let me tell you about my day today coming back.
Okay, what happened?
So I was on my way back talking to you when I came across this food shop. Guess who I saw there?
Who?
A perfect Prince Charming. Oh my god, he was helping his mom out, and let me tell you, he was so handsome. I couldn't stop staring.
Ooh la la. Sounds like somebody has a crush already.
I wouldn't say that, but I mean, he got my attention.
That's hilarious, Mimi. Maybe you should, go there to buy some food sometime and probably strike up a conversation or something.
Maybe I will. Anyways, how was your day? Daddy,
Hey, Mimi.
you're home.
Yes.
I wasn't expecting to see you by this time.
I came back early because I was not feeling too well.
Daddy, why didn't you call me? How are you feeling now? Have you taken any medicine?
Don't worry, it's not that serious, okay? I just came home to rest.
So why are you lying down here with a kitchen towel?
Oh. That's because I'm cooking for my beautiful daughter. And I thought that's gonna, cheer me up.
Daddy, you're too much. But I need you to stand up and go to your room and rest now. I really appreciate, but I can handle it from here. Okay? Oh yeah, to your room. Let's go.
Okay, if you insist. But that's only because you asked nicely.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
What would I get for you girls?
Would like rice with beef, please.
Okay.
For my friend too.
Yes, so where's the beef for both of us?
Are you eating here or you're taking it away?
We're eating here.
Please sit down.
You're doing absolutely great, Mimi. Just be yourself.
Alright, ladies. Here. One for you.
Thank you.
Yes. We have only sachet water.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mimi? Mimi? Mimi?
Daddy,
Hope I did not spoil your phone.
no, but you scared me. What's up?
Have you ever thought about traveling abroad?
Not really. Why?
Because that's exactly what your mom would have wanted for you. And I want to give you just that.
I know, Daddy, but I don't think...
I only want the best for you. You're my only child.
Well, Daddy, that's because you decided to have an only child. Maybe if you had remarried and had more kids, the pressure and expectations wouldn't be so much on me. Daddy, I'm sorry. Daddy, I'm sorry now. I didn't mean to upset him.
Good afternoon.
Hey, good afternoon. It's nice to meet you girls again. What do you want to buy?
Oh, we'll have our usual, please.
Okay.
But take it away.
Take it away.
Yeah, and water, please.
What?
See? Just a little time here and your mood is already elevated. I'm sure with a deep conversation, you feel even better.
Are you sure?
So, tell me, this is what you call a food-induced mood change.
Stop it. But you can say that.
Look at you.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, girls.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
I'm Mimi. This is Esther.
Oh, nice to meet you, Mimi. Nice to meet you, Esther. My name is Osita.
Osita. Osi.
You can also call me that.
Yeah, it's nice to meet you too. I think we should all keep in touch. Yeah. How about we exchange numbers?
Oh, I can give you. Here.
I'll call you and also text you.
Okay. You guys can come and buy food some other time. We're always here.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Osita.
Okay, Mimi, just calm down. You've got this. Just be yourself, okay? Hello? Hi, Osita. It's Mimi from the shop earlier.
Oh, hi. Hi, Mimi. I remember you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. I just wanted to call you so I can introduce myself properly.
Oh, that's very thoughtful of you. Uh, would you visit our store tomorrow again?
Maybe we can chat more in person next time.
Oh, that's great. I think we should talk more.
You know, meeting you today was probably the highlights of my week.
Wow, you also brightened up my day.
Thanks. I'll leave you now. Thanks for talking to me tonight, Osita.
Oh, well, thanks for calling me tonight, Mimi.
Okay. Good night.
Good night, Mimi.
So I've transferred your upkeep money. Okay?
Thank you, Daddy.
That'll be enough for you until I come back.
Daddy, don't forget, Esther will be coming over later.
Oh, okay. That's fine. But just make sure you study properly. As long as you study, we're good. And don't forget, lock up after you before you sleep. Okay?
I know, Daddy. I will.
You sure?
Mm.
That's my girl. And one more thing. If you need anything, I'm just a phone call away. Don't forget to call.
I will, Daddy. Have a safe trip.
I will. Alright, take care, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Well, I put serviette for them. In plastic. It should be
Good
somewhere.
afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my beautiful customer. How are you?
I'm fine, ma. How are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, Mimi. I was actually heading out to make a delivery now.
Oh, that's fine. I just came to say hello, but I could join you for your delivery if you don't mind.
Yes. No, I don't mind. Come go. No, come.
Okay. Come back quick, or we'll have work.
No, we're coming now.
Uh-huh. Oh, wants to join him for delivery. Left her bag. Oh.
For how long have you been working at the store?
Oh, for some years now. You know, I still help my mom when I was still in secondary school. But since then, it's become a regular thing.
Oh, that's nice. Do you enjoy doing it?
Of course, I do. I mean, it's something I've gotten used to, so it's not really a problem.
Okay.
What about you? What do you like doing?
Me? I like fashion designing a lot.
Oh, fashion designing. Oh, I think we're looking at new Gucci, Prada. Have you designed anything yet?
Yeah, actually, I have a few designs and my own sketches, but I don't think I can make a career out of it.
Why do you think so? You shouldn't think like that. Come on, if it's something you're passionate about, then you should actually give it a try.
I know, but I'm trying to balance my dad's expectation and my own dreams.
Oh wow, that should be very tough.
Mm.
Well, I'm sure you figure it out. Well, what does your dad want you to do?
Daddy wants me to study abroad, but that's not what I want.
Wow, seems like you actually know what you want to do.
Mm.
Well, you get over it. Okay.
So, do you have a special someone in your life?
Special someone like girlfriend.
Mm,
No, I'm not in any relationship.
Oh, that's nice. I meant that's cool.
What about you? Do you have any special someone in your life?
No, no, there's no special someone here.
Okay. Uh, here we are. Um, Thank you for coming along.
It's no problem.
Yeah, you're Mr. Maxwell.
Yes.
Okay,
I
that's
hope
you.
it's- Yeah, this is what I ordered.
Thank you. Thank you. So yeah. So what else do you like doing?
I like kissing people.
Daddy, I thought you were on a business trip.
Where have you been?
I was at the center, Daddy. We had classes all day today.
You must think I'm a fool. At the center. By this time?
Actually, Daddy,
That's what you do whenever I'm out of town. You come back home late by this time?
no,
I know what to do.
Daddy, wait.
Rosie,
Yeah. Mama.
I want to ask you something. Rosita, what do you have to do with that Mimi girl?
Mimi.
Mimi.
Not to know. We're just friends.
Okay. Be careful, Rosita. You and that girl are not on the same level.
Well, Mama, I just told you that there's nothing going on now. We're just friends. She sometimes comes to help me with deliveries. Something that normal friends do for friends. Yeah.
Okay. I know. I see her that she comes to help. But just have it in your mind, Rosita, that your mother is a poor widow. I am a poor widow.
I've come with this your talk, man. Poor we do this, poor we do that. Tell me some.
I'm a poor widow. Now am I going to deny it? I'm a poor widow.
Mama, I've heard you. Thank you for looking out for me. I've told you. She's just my friend.
Okay.
That's even when you came to tell me.
That's why I came. You will send me away.
I'm not going to eat.
Eat me.
So.
Mimi, I've been trying to reach you all morning. Why weren't you in class today?
Nothing. I just didn't feel like it.
Mimi, is everything okay? You look really upset.
It's just my dad and his plans for me. I'm just so sick and tired of it all.
Mimi, I'm so sorry you feel this way. But should we think about what your dad wants for you? He's only looking out for your future.
It's not that simple, Esther. First, I became a science student because of him. I went to a technical college because of him. My friends, the clothes that I wear, my makeup, where I go to and not. He has never approved of me being in a relationship. At this age, I'm 20 for Christ's sake. I feel like my whole life is being planned out for me. I just want to be myself and not live out someone else's dreams.
Mimi, but your dad wants what's best for you. It's not a bad thing if you follow his plans. You've got a good future ahead if you do.
You don't know what's best for me, okay? You're not living my life. And you don't get to tell me what to do. I don't even want to hear any of this anymore.
Wow. Mimi, I'm only trying to help. I care about you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I snapped, okay? I'm just really frustrated.
It's fine. You should think about it when you feel better. Okay?
I will. Thanks for being here.
Anytime. Do you want to take a walk?
Yes, it'll make me feel better.
Alright.
Hello?
No, everything is not okay. I'm so upset right now. My dad, he keeps pushing me to follow his plans for my future. I feel like I have no say in my own life. And Esther tried to make me see things from his perspective, and I ended up yelling at her. I just feel like I'm stuck and no one understands me. I want a jollof rice. I think I need some comfort food right now. Okay. Thank you so much, OC. I really appreciate. Okay. Bye-bye. Good night.
What is it? Hi.
Hello. I brought you some jollof rice.
Oh, thank you, OC. You're such a lifesaver.
It's nothing at all. How are you holding up?
I'm hanging in there. It's been a rough couple of days.
Okay.
Come in.
Okay. Your favorite?
Thank you.
Mimi, I don't know if this is the right time to be saying this, but there's something I've been meaning to tell you for a while now. Since we've been friends, since we've been spending time together, I've realized that I like you, but not like how a friend likes a friend.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. It's like I like you more than a friend. I want us to be more than friends. Mimi, I want you to be my girlfriend.
Yes.
Yes?
Mm.
Not like girlfriend, like female friend. I mean like girlfriend. My...
Mm.
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 So I can hold your hands in public.
Mm.
I can call you my girlfriend in public.
Yes.
I can kiss you.
Yes.
I can.
Mm.
Oh, so sorry. It's my mom.
Well, you should take that.
I should. It's just a quick call, okay?
Please, let me come with you. Please. I want to be with you. Just let me come with you, please.
You're sure you're not going to get in trouble for that?
Uh-uh.
I love you.
I love you too, Osi.
Okay.
Wait.
Where have you been? I called the center and they told me that you did not attend classes today.
Daddy, I wasn't expecting you to be back home so soon. I actually stepped out with a friend.
A friend?
Mm.
Stop trying to play games with me. I called the center and they confirmed that you were not in class today, Mirabel, for the second time. Where have you been?
Daddy, actually, I wasn't feeling too well today, so I just stayed back at home.
And what's this food doing here?
Oh, I was hungry, so I ordered the food, but...
So basically, you've been skipping classes and wasting money. That behavior is unacceptable, Mirabel.
I'm sorry, Daddy. It's been a really tough day for me.
Tough day? Do you know what a tough day is? A tough day is when I work my ass out to provide for you. And you treat me like this. You ignore all your responsibilities.
Daddy, I just didn't know how to handle everything.
Well, you need to figure it out because this behavior won't be tolerated. If you cannot handle the pressure, you may need to reconsider your choices.
Daddy, I'm trying my best. Please.
Trying isn't enough without commitment. Mirabel, I want you to focus on your future and stop wasting time on frivolities.
I understand, Daddy. I'll do better.
You need to get your priorities straight. This is your future we're talking about, Mirabel.
I'll do better, Daddy, I promise.
Mimi, I think you need to go back home with your father.
I don't want to be alone. What if he changes his mind?
He won't, okay? I promise. And I promise I'll visit you every day. And when I get a good paying job, we're going to move in together, okay? And we'll build our future together. I promise.
Are you sure about that?
Absolutely. Trust me, okay? I love you.
I love you too. And I trust you.
Okay.
Okay.
So how's your day been so far?
It was okay, but it's better now that I'm out and about with you.
Well, I'm happy to be the guy that contributes to your happiness. Well, you're good, yeah? Okay, this is the place. Chief.
And the other is
Yeah.
are they complete?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Yes.
I've already transferred your money, okay?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, thanks.
Oh. Eh? What? What?
Okay. Like,
Oh yeah, but it's like supposed to like. Okay, mom just texted me. She wants me to get something from the house.
is it something important?
Yeah. It will only take a minute. So we won't be going back to the store. We'll have to go home and get it.
I can come with you if you want.
Of course you can come with me if you want. Yes. Welcome to my humble abode. Well, I know it's not what you're used to. Do you want me to get you something to drink?
No, I'm fine, babe.
You're okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I think we should just relax a bit before we go.
I'd like a short break too.
I care about you so much. Being with you feels so real to me.
I feel the same way too.
I want to be with you, Mimi.
I want that too.
Hello, Esther.
Hello, Mr. Johnson. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. I just came back home now and your friend is not home. It's very late. Is she with you?
Oh, no, she's not here. We were together, but she left a while ago.
You don't know where she is?
No, sir, I don't, but I will try to find out. Let me call her to see if I can get through to her. I'll call you back as soon as I know anything, sir.
Okay, I'll just wait for your call. Thank you. Hello, so did you get across to her?
Hello, sir. Yeah, I've been calling her as well, but she's not picking.
She didn't answer.
Yes. Although I think I might know where she is.
Where? Where's that your stupid son, officer? Where's the son?
Oga, who are you and why are you trying to bust my eardrum? What is it?
I don't care if I bust your eardrums. Yeah. Just tell that your stupid son, officer, to stay away from my daughter Mirabel. Did you hear me?
Mirabel's father, hey, Oga, please calm down now. Calm down. I don't know where they are. They went out. They are not back yet. Biko, don't be angry.
If I ever see your son again with my daughter, if anything happens to my daughter, my only child, I swear to God, I will lock you up.
Huh? Oga, come back. There's nothing bad that has happened. They're just friends now. Hey! Osita Ademma. Oga, don't be... Ha! Hey!
Daddy, why did you go to Osi's mother like that? How could you be so childish?
How dare you talk to me like that?
You're always trying to control my life. I wish it was Mom that was here instead of you. She would have understood me better.
I just want what's best for you.
No, you don't. You're not thinking about me. You're only thinking about yourself.
You're just a child. You think you know everything?
I can't deal with this right now.
Mirabel.
Why is everything so messed up? Hello, babe.
I'm not letting you leave this house. Like I said, you're grounded until I say otherwise.
What? Is this a joke or something? Daddy, I'm not your 10-year-old anymore. Besides, I have important classes I need to attend.
Everything you need is in this house. I'm not going to sit down here and watch you get wayward under my roof.
So are you just gonna lock me in here like a prisoner?
Did you just smack at me? It's your house, not a prison.
Daddy, this is not fair. I have classes I need to attend. Daddy, please. Oh, this is not fair. Oh, like now. Hello?
Mimi, I've been trying to reach you for some days now. Even your dad, he called me. I had to tell him about Osita, Mimi. We were scared you weren't picking up.
Wait, what? You told my daddy about Osi? Esther, how could you do that?
Mimi, I was just worried about you. I thought you needed some help or something.
You have no right to get involved, okay? I've been trying to keep things between us, but now you've gone and made everything worse.
Mimi, I was trying to...
Just save it, Esther. I don't want to hear any of your excuses. Why does everyone keep messing things up for me? They keep meddling in my business. Mimi this, Mirabel that.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
How far? Give me food.
Okay.
How is this?
Just which one do you want? Rice or spaghetti with meat?
No, give me one. How much is the side, please?
It depends on what you want, sir. What do you want, sir?
Yeah, I need rice. Just one plate.
Okay.
I'm on focus now.
Okay. Rice and what?
You know, bless you, not ready to sell food.
No, I did.
Sell food for me now.
Okay.
Just one plate, rice, spark, and meat.
And meat. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Focus, man.
Yes, sir.
Well, that rice is more now. What are
Sir,
you doing, bro? Please, spark. Just one plate. Oh, bro. Hello.
Sir?
Which one be your own now?
Sorry. You say
Give me food.
beans,
Rice, spark, then 2 meats.
Okay.
I bet leave phone.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Daddy, please. Can't I go see Esther for a little while? I'll be back soon, I promise.
Nope. I wasn't joking when I told you you're grounded until I say otherwise.
But Daddy, look at me. I'm a full-grown woman. Don't I deserve some freedom?
Of course you do. But before you leave, drop the phone there.
What? Daddy, are you joking?
Drop your phone.
Daddy, you can't just take away my phone from me like that.
Mimi, drop your phone. What I'm doing is the best for you. As a matter of fact, I'm also enrolling you for SATs prep class. You're going to Canada. Your mother's sister, Auntie Grace, is expecting you. You continue schooling from there.
Daddy, please. I don't want to leave Nigeria. I want to finish schooling here.
What did you say?
I want to finish schooling here.
Are you even listening to yourself? Do you know how many children are begging for their parents to send them abroad? And I'm doing that for you and you're here acting like a robot. Like I said, what I'm doing is best for you. You won't understand now.
Daddy, please. I don't want to live my life.
My decision is final.
Fine.
And don't bang the door.
Esther. Okay.
Mama, I'm confused though. I've been trying to reach Mimi for a while now and I've not been able to get through to her. I even went to her house, she was not around. And I tried to call her on the phone, she was not picking up. I don't know, and it's just unlike her to do a thing like that. Like, she just go off like that. You don't even know if she's...
Osita,
Ma?
I know that you're concerned about that girl. In fact, I say that you're falling in love with that girl. Osita, stay away from that girl and her father. Stay away. I don't want us to get into trouble.
Why are you talking like this now? What do you mean by that? I care so much about Mimi. That's why I'm just worried. I'm just trying to know if she's okay.
Her father is upset. Very upset. Stay away, Osita. You already know I'm a poor widow.
I understand. Just I don't know what to do. I'm worried.
It is for your own good and my own good. Remember, I'm a poor widow. Remember, stay away from her for your good.
I'm not sure I can stay away from her.
Is it?
But I will try. Yeah.
Mimi.
Yes, Daddy.
You don't look good. Are you alright?
I'm just a little bit tired, that's all.
You don't look just tired.
Well, I've been locked up in the house for more than 2 weeks now. You don't expect me to be okay.
Oh, okay. I see. Hope you are eating, Sha. Great. Mimi. 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 Mirabel, sit down. The doctor said that you are pregnant. How is that even possible? Who's responsible?
Daddy,
Don't even play dumb with me, Mirabel. Don't tell me that poor woman's son.
Daddy, I'm sorry. Daddy, please, I'm sorry. Daddy, please, I'm sorry, Daddy. Daddy, please. Daddy, please, Daddy, please. Daddy, please. God, he's going to kill me. I know he's going to kill me. Daddy, what did you do?
You're getting rid of that baby.
What? No, I can't.
Yes, you will! I won't let you ruin your future.
Daddy, this is my baby, and I want to keep it.
You are too young to make such decisions. You don't even know what's best for you.
I may be young, but I can still make my choices. Daddy, I love OC, and I want to keep this baby.
Shut up! Not under my roof. You won't.
Then I'll leave.
Fine! Fine!
Vivian, I have failed our child. I have failed you. I thought I was protecting her, but I've pushed her away. I've pushed her away. What have I done? What have I done? How do I fix this? How do I make it right? How? Vivian, what do I do now?
Yes, doctor, yes. We have to do an abortion as soon as possible. Maybe sometime next week. Is it possible?
Of course, that's fine, Mr. Johnson. Let's schedule it for Wednesday, 10 a.m.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you, that's perfect.
Hello, Esther. Please, I need your help. My dad is trying to make me get an abortion. I heard him on call the doctor.
not come back and meet us here. You won't let us leave this house. This prison. Leave my house. We can't go to the shop. My dad knows about it already.
I know, Mimi, but we've been waiting here for over an hour now, and he's not coming. I even have to go home. Eh?
Okay, no problem. Just take care of yourself.
Don't worry, I'll be here first thing in the morning, okay? Alright, take care.
Bye.
You, what are you doing here again? Eh? Do you want to kill me? Haven't you done enough damage? My son is in prison because of you. You are still here. You will not let me rest.
Wait. Osi is in prison.
Hi.
I'm so sorry. Mama, I'm so sorry. I didn't know. Please. I didn't know.
Ne, go home. Go home to your father because your presence here is nothing but trouble. Biko.
I can't go home.
What again?
My daddy wants me to have an abortion and I don't want to.
Abortion? Are you pregnant for my son? Hey!
And I don't want to have an abortion, Mama, please. I have nowhere else to go to, please.
Biko, what kind of trouble? Your father will kuku kill me. Your father will kill me. Hey! Ngwano, you will stay. You people will not hear something. I want those star. He will not hear. You too. See it now. You are pregnant. Hey. What will I do? Your father will kill me. I'm a mama put seller. Where will I get money to take care of baby? If I drink garri, you will drink. Well, let me open door so that. Where is that stupid?
Hi, Esther.
Hello, sir.
Is your friend with you?
No, sir. I haven't seen her. We've not even spoken since I told you about Osita. Mimi has been really angry at me.
And she didn't say anything to you?
No, sir. No, she didn't.
Alright. Please, if you hear anything, let me know, okay?
Alright. Okay, sir. I will.
Alright. Say me hi to your parents.
Mama, I want to see Osita today. I'll pay for his bill.
Are you sure? Where will you get that kind of money from?
Mama, I have my cards with me.
Thank you very much. God bless you, my daughter. God bless you.
It's the least I can do for the man I love. It's okay.
Thank you. My dear, I cannot open that shop again because your father's threats are too much. He even came there yesterday. He just didn't want you to know.
Mama, I'm so sorry for everything you're going through because of me. But what are we going to do now?
I've been thinking. It's not much, but I'm thinking, let me start using wheelbarrow and be carrying the food. Let me hawk it. Because that way your father will not be able to know where I am. Because I don't want to wake up one day and see him in this house. I cannot, I don't have power for that.
Don't worry, he can't come here. And I'll help you. We'll do it together.
Hey, good girl. Thank you. Thank you.
Here, Mimi. This should help cover the rest of the bill.
Thank you so much, Esther. You've been a true friend.
It's alright. Osita deserves a chance, Mimi. And so do you, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nah. I'm sorry, oh. Sorry.
Mom, no one should be apologizing. I mean, I've caused you so much trouble.
Okay. It's okay.
Mimi,
I'll see.
I'm here now, okay? I've missed you so much. And I love you.
I love you too. And I've missed you too. I was so scared.
Yeah, don't be scared. Okay? I'm here now.
Sure. Thank you. Osi, what are we going to talk about our future? About the baby?
Babe, I promise you, okay? I'm going to make sure that I get a job. I'm going to make sure that I work really, really hard and earn a lot of money so that we can be okay. You and our baby will be okay. I promise.
I love you so much, Osi.
I love you too, Mimi. More than anything else. Mama, we have good news for you.
Good news. What good news is that?
We just got back from the hospital. We're having a girl.
You're having a baby girl? Oh, congratulations, my darling. Come on, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Come on. Oh, thank you, my darling. I have a granddaughter.
Yes.
Hey! Thank you so much, my darling. Congratulations, my darling.
Yes, Mama. Thank you.
I have to call Esther.
What have I done? What have I really done? I know Mimi erred, but still, she's still my daughter. Why do I keep pouring out my anger on her? Why? She has done nothing. She has done nothing to me other than to be a sweet daughter to her father. Vivian, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I disappointed you. I'm sorry I pushed our only child away into the world. I'm so sorry I couldn't keep up to the promises I made to you. Oh God. How do I fix things now? How do I fix things now? How do I reconnect with our daughter? I really need to, urgently, I really need to connect to our daughter, urgently.
Hello?
Esther, please, have you heard anything yet?
No, sir, I haven't. I'm sorry.
Esther, please. Are you sure you're telling me the truth? She's the only child I have. I don't want to lose her. Please.
Sir, I really don't know where she is. I wish I could help.
Oh. Esther, if you hear anything, please, anything at all, let me know. Please. Okay? I want to make things right.
Yes, I will, sir. I'll let you know if I hear anything.
Please, okay. Alright. Thank you.
It's preset for what I'm about. Did I just say that?
Uh-huh.
Sweet.
I'm ready to go out. You should sit today. You have tried for me. Just rest. Let me go and see how much I can gather today. Okay, now? Baby is on the way. Please get the job. Quickly. You know baby will not hear there's no money. Help your mother. Biko. Once they do, wah, put food. That's the only language they understand.
I understand, Mama. I will look for a job.
Alright.
Yes. Baby will not hear there's no money.
Amen. Right. Let me go. Take care.
I will. I even work 4 times.
You can work 4 jobs.
Yes, 4.
Look who's going to be your mother soon. How are you?
I'm fine, my friend.
So I got some things for my goddaughter.
Thank you so much. She's really lucky to have you.
You're welcome. But Mimi, really, how are you?
It's been really tough, to be honest. Sometimes it gets really, really bad. But we're managing.
Mimi, I know you've made up your mind already. I mean, I know you've already made your decisions, but are you sure this is what you really, really want? Mimi, your dad has been trying to reach you. He's been calling me non-stop.
Hope you haven't told him anything.
No, I haven't. I promised you I wouldn't. But he's really worried. And it gets me worried too.
I need more time. Okay?
Okay. We're here for you, okay? I'm here for you no matter what, okay? And your dad is here too, even if he just probably doesn't show it the right way, okay? Come here. She's kicking you.
Where?
Esther, please. I need to see my daughter Mirabel. Please, I beg you.
Mr. Johnson, I
have a feeling that you know where she is. Please, I know you know where she is. Please, just take me to my daughter, please.
Okay, I'll take you. But you know Mimi wouldn't like this. So.
I know, don't worry, I'll handle that. Please, thank you.
Okay, I'll show you.
Esther, what are you doing here? And why is he here?
please just take it easy, okay? Don't be angry with her, okay? I begged her to bring me here.
Esther, how could you?
Mimi, he wouldn't stop begging. Please just listen to him.
Mimi, I'm so sorry for everything. I know I've not been the best dad. Please forgive me. I want to make things right. Please.
So you feel you can just walk in here and apologize and everything will be fine?
I know I've done a lot of things to ruin your life, you know. It's not intentional. I was only trying to protect you, but now I see I'm wrong. Please forgive me, okay? Please.
I'm sorry, sir. I have to be on my way now.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. Please, now I know you were here. My mind is at rest right now. But please come, let's go. Please. Please beg her for me, please. Please.
Mimi.
Come. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Maybe I think you should hear him out, okay? He's been wanting to see you. And I know he misses you.
See, my daughter, listen to your father. Hear him out. I think he's truly sorry for him to come all the way to this place. Hear him out.
Mama, he has hurt me so much.
We know. Okay? I mean, he's just being a dad. I wouldn't let anything happen to our daughter.
Exactly.
So just hear him out, okay?
Okay. Look, for the sake of yourself, it's your daddy. I'm sure you miss your daddy. And the baby too. Eh? That's going to be the baby's grandfather. Just make peace, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, go. Go and make peace.
I'm here. What do you have to say?
I'm so sorry. I know I've wronged you. I thought I was protecting you. I thought I was doing my best. I know I was so harsh. Yes. I take all the blame. But please, just give me a chance to make it right. To be the father that I am supposed to be. I'm so sorry, please. Please, Mimi. Please. I know I've wronged all of you. Please, just forgive me. Every day I think about your mom. And look at me, I have failed her. I told her I was going to protect you. I'm sorry. I never knew I was pushing you away. Please forgive me, okay? Please help me, please. I know you have tried, but please help me beg her again. Please, now. Please.
I'm sorry too, Daddy.
It's okay. It's me, not you. It's me.
I love Osi and I want to be with him.
It's fine. It's fine. As long as you're happy. We are all happy. Please. I have realized that. I'm so sorry, please.
I'm sorry too, Daddy.
Thank you. I miss you.
I miss you too.
Oh, I'm not wanting the baby. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Babe, come on, even help me to carry this thing.
Babe, what's all this?
Daddy reactivated my cards. I just wanted to help out.
But babe, you didn't have to do all this now. We're managing just fine. I've told you this several times.
I just wanted to help out, OC. Is that a big deal?
It's a big deal, oh. You went to the... Where did you... How... I mean, even if he activated your cards, you're not supposed to use all of them. What is it?
Ow!
What's the problem?
I think baby's kicking.
Which baby?
I'm in labor.
You're in labor?
Yeah.
Mama! Hold on. I'm trying to do. Wait, hold on. Mama!
Osi, I think I don't know.
Mama! Wait, hold on. Let me carry you.
can't believe we lost her.
Hey, we'll get through this together. Okay? I promise.
Mirabel,
Daddy.
I'm so sorry. I know how much you wanted the baby. I know how much this hurts. I wish, trust me, I wish I can take the pain away. I know how you feel. I wish this never happened.
Yeah. We'll be fine, okay? Just, you have to be strong for us, okay?
I promise I'll support the both of you. In every way I can.
My darling, we'll take it. This will make you feel better, okay?
Thank you, Mama.
Just eat it now that it's hot. Don't worry. You'll feel better, okay? Eat. You know you need strength.
Eat now, please, eat. Like she said, you need it. Good. Osita, I've thought about this a lot, and I realized I've been so harsh. I'm sorry. Now I know better. I know that what matters most is my daughter's happiness. And I can tell that she loves you. I can also tell that you love her. She has shown me that she can go to any extent to prove that she loves you. And that means a lot to me. So for that reason, I have decided to support you all through school. Yes. Yes, Mimi, I will do that. I'll do that for you. I'll pave the way for your future. Mommy, I'll open a shop for you.
Huh? Oh, well...
Yes, for you.
You open shop for me? Hey!
No.
God bless you.
Please.
God bless you. Wait, let me
stand
kneel
up,
down.
please.
Let me kneel down and pray for
please.
you.
No, it's okay.
You open a shop for me.
Please.
Oh! Daddy, you open a shop for me. Oh. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you.
Daddy, thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
I miss you so much.
It's okay, Daddy.